Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Veronica Olunde, and if today is your first time stopping by, hey girl, please do not make it your last. Please subscribe to my channel. So today's video is about this beautiful hairstyle that I have on. So without further ado, let's get right into the process. First thing I did was to divide my hair not into two equal halves now, because this is a half down and also a half up ponytail. So I had my sister make my braids for me because I have an injury that I'm currently nursing in one of my fingers. So what I'm going to do is to make a bun of the section of my hair that is above, just like so. While we are making the bun, let me run you guys through the items that I used for this hair. I used bobby pins, lots of bobby pins, lots, because that's like our major security for this hair. Bobby pins, hair gel, hair brush, gel brush. What else? Just watch the video to see other items that I didn't mention. So while that is done, we are going to be applying our hair gel on our bun. So for this half up, half down ponytail, I am going to be using a wig that I already used in one of my videos. I won't be using a clipping hair extension. I just wanted to experiment to see if this wig will do the job, and it did, guys. It did, with a lot of prayers, it did. You're going to catch me praying a lot in this video. So once we are done with the gel, we are going to be picking our wig. This wig I already curled overnight, so I'm going to be using that for this hair. All through this process, guys, I want you to watch closely so you would understand everything that I did here. Oh, see, I just sprayed. So we are going to be placing the wig exactly where our braid starts from and where it stops. So that's exactly where the wig is going to be placed. It's a closure wig, so I'm trying to make sure that the closure, or that the part of the closure, is exactly at the middle of my head, just like so. So next we are going to be using our bobby pins to secure the hair. You need a lot of bobby pins. So you're going to use your initiative to clip in the bobby pins to sections you don't want the hair pulling out from, like be it from ear to ear, the middle of your head, the back. Just bobby pins each of the section that you don't want the hair to pull out from. So once that is done, we are going to be wrapping the hair around our bun, just like so. So here I'm going to be picking tiny sections of the hair to give myself bangs on each side of my forehead. So once that is done, I'm going to be brushing out my curls because I do not want them too defined, so I'm going to be brushing them out a little bit. So here you can already tell my joy because this turned out pretty well, much more than I expected. So I was so super excited. Super excited. I was so feeling myself. I almost forgot to do my edges. I almost forgot, guys. So here I am doing my edges. I'm feeling like a fine girl. So this video is to show you guys that a closure wig can as well give you as many hairstyles as you want. You just have to be super creative and watch my videos for ideas. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you're going to be trying this hairstyle. I feel like I'm going to do this hairstyle if I'm going to get a birthday photo shoot for this year's birthday. Guys, this hair turned out so good, so good. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.